Hey, what's going on, family and friends? Fuentes here. Last week, I purchased a Tangem crypto hardware wallet, one of the best self-custody wallets on the market. I purchased it at Best Buy in Costa Mesa before raffling it off to my community. And today, I'm double checking to make sure that Tangem is really in stock at all the Best Buys locally. So first up is the Best Buy in Long Beach, where you can buy a Tangem wallet right off the shelf. You can literally walk into a Best Buy near you across the US and pick one up today.
Here they are, Tangem, your gateway to crypto.
Next up is the Best Buy in Lakewood, where you can check out the Tangem hardware wallets, the cards and rings, which is a huge milestone for self-custodying your favorite cryptocurrencies and stablecoins.
Very cool.
And for the final pit stop number 3 is the Best Buy in Cerritos. Full speed ahead.
The Tangem crypto hardware wallets, the cards, the rings, right here at the Cerritos Best Buy number 117.
Tangem hardware wallets are flying off the shelves. So if you see an empty shelf like this one right here, go up to a Best Buy sales rep and they can secure more Tangem inventory in the back. And you know what's even more exciting is what happens when you leave the store. Let's take Tangem into the wild. Welcome to La Libertad, El Salvador, home to El Zonte, better known around the world as Bitcoin Beach. This small surf town became ground zero for one of the most ambitious monetary experiments in modern history. From the colon to the US dollar to Bitcoin, few places have witnessed the evolution of money quite like this. But history is one thing, real-world utility is another. So today, we're putting Tangem Pay to the test. Connected to my Apple Pay, let's see what it can do in the real world. For years, people have debated whether crypto could be used for everyday purchases. Here in El Salvador, I don't have to debate it, I can simply use it. Let's go grab a drink using Tangem Pay.
Una café con leche?
Americano con leche o latte.
Latte, gracias. Okay, perfecto. Using Tangem Pay.
Just a few days ago, I walked into a Best Buy in Southern California and picked up a Tangem wallet off the shelf. Today, I'm sitting in El Salvador using Tangem Pay in one of the most iconic crypto communities in the world. That's a pretty remarkable journey. Not because of the technology, but because of what it represents. The gap between digital assets and everyday commerce is disappearing in real time. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, stablecoins, or simply taking ownership of your financial future, one thing is becoming extremely clear. Self-custody is no longer a niche concept. It's becoming accessible to everyone. And now it's available at your local Best Buy. I'm Fuentes. Thanks for tuning in. Love you mucho.